Can a whale swallow a human? In this chapter we explore the possibility of a whale swallowing a human. It's a question that sparks curiosity and maybe even a little fear. The ocean is vast and mysterious, home to creatures beyond our wildest imaginations. Whales, with their immense size, capture our awe. But could one of these gentle giants actually consume a person? The answer lies in understanding the fascinating world of whales and their anatomy. As we delve into the depths of this question, we'll uncover the truth about whales and their diet. Prepare to be amazed by these incredible creatures and gain a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance of life in our oceans. Stay tuned as we dive into the depths of the ocean to uncover the truth about whales and their ability to swallow a human. Throughout history, there have been numerous tales of humans being swallowed by whales. Are these stories fact or fiction? Let's find out. One of the most famous tales is that of James Bartley, a sailor who in 1891 claimed to have been swallowed whole by a sperm whale. According to the story, Bartley was found alive in the whale's stomach days later, his skin bleached white from the digestive juices. While Bartley's tale is captivating, it's important to remember that it has been greatly exaggerated over time. There's no scientific evidence to support the idea that a human could survive for days inside the stomach of a whale. More likely, Bartley was caught in fishing nets or experienced another maritime mishap. While stories like Bartley's might make for exciting tales, the reality of a whale swallowing a human is quite different. Despite their massive size, the throats of most whale species are surprisingly small. Could a human even fit through? Let's examine the anatomy of these ocean giants. Take the humpback whale, for example. These magnificent creatures can grow up to 60 feet long, but their throats are only about the size of a beach ball. This anatomical quirk is because most whales are filter feeders. They have baleen plates in their mouths instead of teeth. Baleen is a fibrous material that hangs down from the whale's upper jaw, acting like a sieve. When a whale feeds, it opens its mouth wide and takes in a huge gulp of water, trapping small fish and krill on its baleen plates. The reality of a whale swallowing a human is far from what you might expect. Let's debunk some common myths and misconceptions. Contrary to popular belief, whales aren't interested in humans as a food source. Their diet consists mainly of tiny creatures called krill, which are small crustaceans that resemble shrimp. Whales also eat plankton, small fish, and other small organisms that live in the ocean. The only whales that have teeth are toothed whales such as sperm whales and orcas. These whales do eat larger prey, like squid and fish, but even their throats are too small to swallow a human. Their teeth are designed for grasping and tearing their food, not for crushing bones. It's not just whales. Whales aren't the only marine creatures that pose a threat to humans. We'll explore other potential dangers lurking in the deep. While the thought of being swallowed by a whale might keep you up at night, there are other, more realistic dangers lurking in the ocean. Sharks, for example, are apex predators with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. While shark attacks are relatively rare, they do happen, and it's important to be aware of your surroundings when swimming in shark-infested waters. Other marine creatures that can pose a threat to humans include jellyfish, stingrays, sea snakes, and saltwater crocodiles. These animals possess venomous stings or bites that can cause serious injury or even death. It's crucial to respect these creatures and their habitats, and to educate yourself about the potential dangers of the ocean before entering their domain. Threats to whales. While we may fear whales, they face numerous threats from human activities. Let's take a closer look at the challenges these majestic creatures encounter. While whales may not pose a threat to humans, humans certainly pose a threat to whales. These majestic creatures face numerous dangers, many of which are caused by human activities. One of the biggest threats is entanglement in fishing gear. Whales can become entangled in fishing nets, lines, and traps, which can cause injuries, drownings, and starvation. Pollution is another major threat to whales. Chemicals, plastics, and noise pollution from ships and other human activities can contaminate their food sources, disrupt their communication, and damage their hearing. Climate change is also having a significant impact on whales, as rising ocean temperatures and ocean acidification affect their prey availability and habitats. Understanding our ocean giants. To truly appreciate whales, we need to understand their behavior and biology. Join us as we delve into the lives of these fascinating animals. Whales are not just magnificent creatures, they play a vital role in the health of our oceans and our planet. As filter feeders, they help regulate populations of krill and other small organisms. Their waste products provide nutrients for phytoplankton, which are microscopic plants that form the base of the ocean food web. By understanding whales and their importance to the marine ecosystem, we can better appreciate the need to protect them. Supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, and advocating for policies that address climate change are just some of the ways we can help ensure the survival of these gentle giants for generations to come. Section 8. Respecting wildlife, protecting our planet. The ocean is a vast and wondrous place, teeming with life that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. Whales, with their immense size and gentle nature, hold a special place in our hearts and imaginations. It's crucial to respect and protect the wildlife that shares our planet. By respecting wildlife, reducing our impact on the environment, and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a part in protecting our planet and the incredible creatures that call it home. Discover how we can contribute to the conservation of these incredible creatures. Remember, the choices we make today will determine the fate of our oceans and the incredible life that inhabits them. Section 9. Exploring the ocean depths responsibly. As we explore the ocean depths, it's important to do so responsibly. Whether you're scuba diving, snorkeling, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, remember that you are a visitor in this delicate ecosystem. Treat it with respect, observe marine life from a safe distance, and avoid any actions that could harm these creatures or their habitats. By adhering to responsible wildlife viewing guidelines and supporting sustainable tourism practices, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to experience the magic and wonder of our oceans. Let's work together to protect our planet's most precious resource and the incredible life it sustains. Learn how we can minimize our impact on the marine environment and ensure its preservation for future generations.